think Harpreet and Mr. Dhaliwal, do you both have to go?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Thank you.
So if you can do
So
your...
basically, I'll just repeat what I was telling before, that if this was a racist party, the facts are something different. The Prime Minister has appointed the first Sunni Muslim to the Senate of Canada, Salma Atayullah Jan. 4 Muslim candidates are running for the Conservative Party, and in the last 14 years, the number of Muslims in Canada has doubled. As far as immigration is concerned, 90,000 Muslims have come into Canada, and which is the highest in the past 50 years. Earlier this year, Prime Minister invited Canadian Muslims into his home to celebrate Iftar at 24 Sussex, which was the first time it has happened in Canadian history. On the international stage, we have deepened relations with many Muslim-majority countries, and as far as humanitarian aid is concerned to Muslim countries, $1 billion in development aid to Muslim countries is being given, which is the highest ever given. In recent years, we have also been challenged how to deal with the phenomenon of international terrorism, threatening global and Canadian security, and to help defend the innocent, we are standing with Iraq and other majority Muslim countries of the Middle East in confronting the campaign of violence of the so-called ISIL, and are helping to lead the world in humanitarian assistance for the victims. We have also adopted new laws and programs here at home to help keep Canadians of all backgrounds safe from threats. For example, we have provided funding to faith communities, including many mosques, to improve their security infrastructure. Under the Security Infrastructure Program, the Conservative government has funded mosques, including 2 in Hamilton, Ontario, who have received $100,000 to improve security to keep their members safe while they worship. The Office of Religious Freedom was established, what we were talking about, religious freedom, in which Muslims, 5 out of the 20 are Muslims. 25% in this religious freedom office are Muslims, which include 2 Sunnis, Shia, Ismaili and Ahmadiyya also. And Prime Minister Harper has opposed the Quebec Values of Charter, which would have banned hijab in government buildings. So ladies and gentlemen, towards the end, I would just say one thing. Let's all strive to make Canada better. The kind of misinterpretation which has been put into the minds, let's see facts as they are and make Canada stronger. Security is a major issue right now, and that cannot be compromised at any cost. None of the religions or religious people have anything to fear, except that we have to stand for our rights, which make our country stronger and better economically, and we create a strong environment of safety also in our country. Thank you.
Thank you, Harpreet. Harpreet, it's too bad that you had to leave. There's just one other hot topic. 4 o'clock. Yes, just one other. I wish we had a lot more time. But there's
a debate happening with Mr. Pirzada, yes. So
yes,
welcome over there.
Yes, it was about the budget and the surplus and for the budget. And so if you can just stick around for 2-3 minutes.
I'm already late. I had to reach there by 4. It's already 4.
Okay.
I'm willing to stay and answer those questions.
Okay. I'll be here too. All right.
I apologize. I had said 3:30, but I had to reach there at 4 o'clock.
That's fine. Thank you. We appreciate you.
But I'm ready to come anytime, and any questions, most welcome.
Yeah, we appreciate you coming and expressing your views and of your